If you truly want to memorize the Quran in a better way this Ramadan, but every year you begin with excitement and then slowly lose consistency, then this video is for you. Today, inshallah, I will share with you a simple and realistic step by step plan that you can follow every single day in Ramadan without burnout, without pressure, and without giving up halfway. Let's begin. Step 1: set a realistic goal. Before you start memorization, pause and ask yourself one question: what can I realistically complete in 30 days? To answer that, you must know your current level. For example, if you right now can memorize half a page in a week, it's not logical to suddenly aim for 5 pages a week. That will overwhelm you and you will end up feeling disappointed. But this doesn't mean you stay at the same level forever. Improvement is important, but it happens gradually. Think of it like climbing stairs. After step 1, you can go to step 2, not to step 5. When you feel strong at step 2, you move to step 3. Ramadan is about 4 weeks. You can set a slightly higher goal at the beginning of each week and increase it little by little. Ramadan is not about pressure, it's about consistency. It's a chance to build a strong and lasting relationship with the Quran. A small goal done with excellence is far better than a big goal you abandon after 10 days. And remember, steady steps win the race. Step 2: learn the meaning and the cause of revelation. Before memorizing any ayah, take a few minutes to understand it, read the translation, learn the reason of revelation if possible. When you understand what the ayah is talking about, your mind connects with it. Memorization becomes easier and recall becomes stronger. And remember, the Quran was not sent only to be memorized, it was sent to be understood, lived, and followed as well. Understanding makes your heart connect more with the Quran. Step 3: listening is powerful. After setting your goal and understanding the meaning, it's time to begin memorizing. And the first step is simple: listen. Listen daily to the verses you plan to memorize that week. Even passive listening helps. Many people have memorized large portions, even long surahs like Surah Al-Baqarah, only through constant listening, even if they were not fluent in reading Arabic. Listening strengthens the memory naturally. It also improves your pronunciation and tajweed without extra effort. The more you hear it, the more familiar it becomes. Step 4: divide the page properly. A page of the Quran usually has about 15 lines. Instead of memorizing the whole page at once, break it into smaller portions. You can divide it into 3 sections of 5 lines or even 1 line at a time. Now follow this 5-time strategy. Number 1, read 1 line 5 times while looking. Then read it 5 times from memory. If it's not firm yet, repeat the 2 steps again. Once you master that line, move to the next. After finishing, connect the entire page and read it from the beginning to the end. This method makes memorization easier, organized, and less overwhelming. You are training your brain in small, manageable pieces. Step 5: use the 5-time review rule. This is the real secret. Memorization is not the hardest part. Review is the real secret. After you memorize, make sure to follow this rule. Recite what you memorized in your salah. Revise it again before sleeping. Review it once more the next day. Repeat it during the week. Revise it at the end of the week before adding more. If you skip revision, you will forget. If you repeat revision, the ayahs will become easier and faster to recall. You will reach a point where you can recite them anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Strong memorization is not built in one session. It's built through repetition. Step 6. This is my last advice, which should be my first one, honestly. It's to make dua. Before you start, make a good intention and make dua for Allah. Memorizing Allah's words in your heart is a great blessing from Him subhanahu wa ta'ala. So always make dua for Him to grant you with this favor and be sincere to Him to do it only for His sake. If you follow this system every day in Ramadan, you will not just memorize faster, you will memorize stronger. If this plan helped you, share it with someone who wants to improve their hifdh this Ramadan. May Allah put barakah in your time and make the Quran the light of your heart. مع السلامة.